Baked caramel banana. The Quince banana is very delicious, but it is rarely eaten raw. The most common way is to fry it and serve it with lunch or breakfast. Today's recipe was an experiment for school lunches and it was very well appreciated. Sometimes we don't even know what to do with so many bananas. After chopping the bananas, I put them on a baking tray, topped with brown sugar, cinnamon, and covered them with passion fruit jelly. I put it in the oven to bake until the banana absorbed its juice. It's delicious. Warm, baked banana. Guys, think about the smell, think about the taste. Any child or adult will like it. It can be served with toast or rice.